Hello guys, good morning to everyone. Guys, after a very long time, today I have come to a very nice place. And you will feel quite happy to seeing such place right behind me. Just guess the place. It's a very familiar place. You could have seen it in my previous videos. Yes guys, I am at Putudi. It's very wonderful. I'm showing you the places around me. Well guys, I'm showing you the beautiful places around it. Just see the beautiful water plunging and thundering around. Oh my god, a very beautiful pool around the place where the water falls. Just see the beautiful mountains and the greeneries over it. I have come here with my friends. We are a team here. They are down there and clicking some pictures. It's a very nice place. So this is the place where you can see is the viewpoint. Now I will take you down. It's quite soothing and very cooling effect. You'll feel really amazed to come here. The steps leading down to the stream. This is my first video after the arrival of this iPhone. I think you can gaze upon after seeing the videos. The quality is very nice. Yeah, it's all rocky surface. Very, very nice. Oh man. I will go down right there. We will experience the beauty of this place. It's very nice. Hey, what's going on? You are not here. You are not here. Don't worry about it. You are not here. Hello, hello. Say hi. Hello. Yeah. They are taking picture right there. Here our guys are enjoying. Hello guys. Hi. Hello. Hi sir.
He's just finding the cost of his
New iPhone.